Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi Hookah. We'll begin by gathering all the necessary components, ensuring you have everything ready for an authentic experience. This traditional method focuses on specific preparation techniques that deliver a rich, flavorful smoke. We'll cover each step in detail, from tobacco packing to coal placement, guiding you through the entire process for a truly enjoyable session. Next, let's prepare the shisha tobacco. For a true Desi experience, opt for a coarse-cut, unwashed variety. Gently fluff the tobacco to ensure good airflow, then pack it loosely into your chillum bowl. It's crucial to keep the tobacco just below the rim, leaving about 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters of space. This prevents burning and allows the heat to circulate evenly, enhancing the flavor profile. Now let's assemble the hookah base. Fill your glass base with cold water, ensuring the downstem is submerged by approximately 1 inch, or about 2.5 centimeters. This provides optimal filtration and a smooth draw. Carefully insert the stem into the base, twisting gently to create an airtight seal. Finally, attach your hose firmly to its designated port, checking for any leaks to maintain proper suction. For the final steps, we'll set up the foil and charcoal. Take a piece of heavy-duty aluminum foil and stretch it tightly over the chillum bowl, ensuring it's smooth and taut. Using a poker, create about 15 to 20 small, evenly spaced holes across the foil for heat distribution. Finally, place 3 to 4 fully lit natural charcoal pieces directly onto the perforated foil. Allow a few minutes for the tobacco to heat before taking your first smooth draw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.